Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Sonos mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Sonos app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Sonos system. Once you're on your home page, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. If you are the current owner, you will see your Sonos account logged in here. Before you transfer ownership, you will need to remove all the speakers from your account. Tap on Switch System, tap on each speaker or room, scroll down and select Remove Product. Repeat this for every speaker in your Sonos system. Once that done, now sign out of your account. Go to the settings menu or you can tap on your profile. Here you can see an option that says sign out. Tap on it. Now the new owner can now download the Sonos app, tap set up a new system and create their own account to take over the speakers easy. And that's it. You have just transferred ownership of your Sonos system using the Sonos app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.